Okay, this is just like a winter wonderland in here. It's incredible. We don't get this in British Columbia very often. Everything is covered with snow. It's absolutely exquisite. Everything is covered. It's quite sticky too. Just beautiful. Look at these tree branches. The dog is very happy. The lady took a picture of him, so he's really thrilled about this. Oh my God, it's gorgeous in here. Let's just walk a little bit, Liam. Don't knock me over, buddy. Our trail, we can go down the hill and wipe ourselves out, or we can go this way. So we're going to go this way. Okay, mister, you coming? Look at that. It's just heavenly. Everybody and his brother's been out by the looks of things. Got my cleats on, so I'm good. Look at that. It's so thick in here. It's just lovely. Oh, man. There's been a lot of people in here. Okay, hold up, buddy. Hold it. This is like thick bush in here. We're going through a snow tunnel. Oh my God, look at that. Incredible. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. We just don't get this very often. I'm in heaven. This is so wonderful. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, buddy, hold it. Ho! Freeze, mister.